to another video with your girl Alicia. Thank you all for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to keep going with the series of Alieshia's Adventures, and today I'm going to do a pack with me video. I'll show you all like my clothes. I have a couple outfits. I'm just going to put them in my suitcase and show you how I basically pack for a trip. So yeah, let's get this going. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So here are my clothes. Yes, they're a lot. I'm going on a trip, and those are my towels, and that's my suitcase and my shoes. So I'm just going to show you all what I put and how I put my stuff in the actual suitcase and how it all fits. So this should be exciting. Since I'm going on a trip to a beach, you know, I need a beach towel. And so I'm going to lay this out because, like, you know, you can only have so much weight in there. So I'm going to lay this out so it won't be so thick. So it won't be so thick. So I'm going to lay it like this. And so hopefully I can fit everything in here. Y'all see? And the first thing, since it's the heaviest, I put shoes in there first. And then on to the outfits. So I have my swimsuits and everything. And then for my outfits, I put them together. I put each outfit together. I don't know if I'm going to do it day by, like I do it day by day, but like I do it putting everything together, but I don't know if I'm going to actually wear it on that day. So I just take my clothes and I just roll them. And these are new, so to make it easier to fit in there, I just roll my clothes instead of laying them flat. And hopefully all of these will fit while I roll them. If you all can see, I'm trying to show you how I can roll these clothes. And if you think you know where I'm going, you can also put that in the comments. I will give you a hint. It's in the Caribbean. Do you all say Caribbean or Caribbean? Just let me know. And so after I get done rolling all of them, it makes it have more room when you roll them. I believe so. Something that I use to weigh, though, is a scale. I have one of these. If you don't have one of those, that could be great to get. So I lay my clothes that I'm going to wear down here. And sometimes I just pack some extras just in case. You never know, you might change, something may happen. If I show you my toothbrush, I may or may not. I have a couple right here. Party outfits are like just going out. Outfits. I'm going to go to a study abroad, so you know, just keeping it cute and casual. It's supposed to be really hot, so I'm packing some shorts and some light pants.
I'm flying on a different airline this time, so I don't really know.
And a couple of undershirts.
Here's my suitcase. And so one make sure that it doesn't weigh more than 50 pounds.
Just so we can make everything okay. And make sure your stuff is under 50 pounds. Or else you're going to have to pay some more money, and no one wants to do that. Okay? Oh, I think this is going to work, y'all. Let me do these. Now, I got some of these shorts from Route 21. If y'all want me to do a haul on that, let me know. So, like my pajamas and undershirts and things like that, I put them in here. And I also put my towel that I'm using, because that towel was the beach towel. And so this towel I will put in here. I'll put my pajamas and my undershirts. And I have some like biker short stuff, just, you know, to keep it in there. I also have this. This is for the beach, you know, if I want to put my phone in here so it doesn't get wet. So I have that. And then also I put up here is my swimsuit. So